make $17,000 from referring one product off of eBay. What's going on YouTube? Matt Johnston coming at you guys with another video on the highest paying affiliate marketing programs that are out there. These are a few that have paid me a high commission for, referring their products to individuals. So let's get right into it on the highest paying affiliate programs that are out there. So the first one is Credit Debt Consolidation Repair. For those of you who don't know, this is pretty much a business that helps people that have poor credit and are in debt. And yeah, these businesses pay people around $300 per sale. You could look it up on Google. And one of the things that you can use to actually target these people is a tool that I use called Keyword Planner. Okay. Boom. You can just literally search for words like how to get out of debt, get ideas. Boom, it's loading. And as you can see, it has a high search ranking on Google. So, it's a very sought after business that I personally have made money off of. So yeah, that is one of the best programs that you can join. The next thing I would suggest is metal investments. This includes gold and silver. I personally have not, worked with any metal investment companies, but I do know people that have, and they pay around 2% commission for people that sign up for these programs. Spelled that wrong. And the third one is probably the most popular at the moment, and that is cryptocurrency investments. People are already, millionaires just from pouring out their affiliate links. If you guys look up Trayvon James, they're already making 6-7 figures just from their affiliate bonuses alone. So some of the platforms I use for affiliate marketing is Coinbase and BitConnect. There's a ton of other programs that are out there that you can actually use. These are just the two that I use. And as you all know, BitConnect pays 5% for every person that you add, and every person they add after is another 3%. So, that adds up every time they put in more money or add more people. So, that's pretty sick. And the next thing is the eBay Partner Network. Guys, just hear me out really quick. I know, you may think that, why would you make so much money off eBay Partner Network? Well, apart from Amazon, eBay actually lets you affiliate any product out there. And if you are new to the market, you do 9 to 13% of each product that you sell, right? So if you're for before the first 3 months. So if we were to look up in eBay, let's say a car, okay, you could sell a car, literally sell a car off of eBay. And just for shits and giggles, we can type in a Lamborghini. Okay, a Lamborghini will be our example today. Okay, now we will do this 2013 Lamborghini Gallardo as our example. So all you have to do is literally paste that link in here. Boom, create it, copy link, and you can literally have a website that sells cars or refers them to cars. But once you have that link, and you can't, saying that not many people want to buy a Lamborghini is completely wrong, because as you can see, 47 people are already bidding on this item. So there's obviously a demand for, buying sports cars off the internet. And with the eBay affiliate network, if you are a seller in the first 3 months, you get up to 13% a commission. So let's do the math really quick. So if you do 130,000 times 13%, you literally made $17,000 from referring one product off of eBay. So the last program I recommend is Travel Affiliate Programs, and they pay 100 to 500 per sale. Okay, so it's a great program to get into. Some examples are Expedia, and you have Travel Payouts. There's a ton of other ones out there. You just have to do your research on Google. And yeah, guys, so these are the 5 programs I recommend for affiliate marketers to join. If you market these products properly, you can make these kinds of payouts, guys. Okay, I worked with every single one of these except for the metal investment one, and I've profited tremendously from them. The possibilities are pretty much endless. So hope you guys learned a lot from this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. Take care, guys.